Shine Bright Classes is now Tortoise Learning Solutions. Why to have study fear when Tortoise Learning Solutions is here? Before moving ahead, like, share, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And today you will watch one soft skills session where I, Wagisha Jain, took session of models from 11 countries. All your achievements, like when I did this activity to write all my achievements, I still remember the first time when I walked up the stairs. Nobody was there around in my home, and I walked up the stairs, and my aunt was totally surprised. Oh my god, you are here! And I still remember it because that was an achievement for me. So, achievement doesn't mean that you need to say, oh, I got this medal or this crown or this or that. But any achievement, anything that has given you so much of happiness. So, you need to note down all your those achievements, and according to that, you need to find out your qualities yourself. Very important, again and again, please be yourself. Don't portray that you are something else, you are somebody else, because if you are going to do that, you are going to fall into a loop, and then there will be a fall only. You will yourself fall into that. And most important, this introduction is about you. It's not about the pageant, it's about you. So you need to talk about yourself, and then you can portray yourself that how you are important for this pageant, but don't just talk about the pageant only during your introduction.
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट.
Yes, please tell me.
हाँ, जैसे कि मैम कैन आई आस्क यू समथिंग इन हिंदी यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, you can ask me in Hindi.
ओके. तो मैम जैसे आपने बोला कि आप नोट करो अपने बारे में, एंड फिर तो हमको उसको वीडियो बना के शोकेस करना है, या हमको आपको कैसे बताना है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. That is particularly for you. I want you to know yourself, you to know your qualities, and then you need to decide how you will portray those qualities in front of anyone. And especially as we are talking about this mega event, then as a model, how you need to present those qualities.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. The next thing is, like as we told that you need to know about you, or all these things will be there that you need to say in your introduction, but what exactly will come into your introduction? Now we'll come to that. So these are some of the important things that I have noted down, that in your 1 to 2 minutes of introduction, this is what you can say. First is obviously your name, but with that I have said don't use myself, because in case of being over creative, we have heard myself, and then we start with being myself, saying myself. But myself is not a correct word. When it has to be, in a sentence, it can never come in the beginning. It can never ever come in the beginning. You can say my name is, I am, all right, but don't say myself. Yes, after saying your name, you can say your country. And as whenever there are some events when the contestants are from different countries, then you can also say about your country. Yes, but then again at the same time, you need to be creative. Let's suppose, and you need to see according to the situation also. Suppose if there are around 10 contestants who are from a particular country, if everyone will keep saying about their own country, it will seem so repetitive. So you always have to make sure that you need not to learn it that much that when a time comes when you have to change, you are not able to change. So just learn it that much that when a change has to come, you can easily modify that. Then you can say something about your country, and then your nature, qualities, hobbies, interests. As I told you, something that you will discover in this process, that when you will write all your achievements and each and everything, in that process, whatsoever your nature, qualities, hobbies, interests, that those all things you can mention here now. And in the end, your dreams. That's up to you. If you want to mention, then you can mention. If you don't want to mention, you can even leave this thing. That's how comfortable you are with this type of introduction. Otherwise, you want to modify, you can modify. You can say something about your family, but don't keep, don't say too much about your family, because people are there to know you. Your family introduction has to come only that much that is related to you. Is it clear, or do you want me to give an example?
Yeah.
All right. So this is, so far we talked about the content. Whenever you are going to the stage, there are two things that are important. One is your content. If your content is not strong, it is not going to put impact. The second thing is, how do you deliver it? How presentable you are. Yes. So this is, so far was the content. Now we will come to the next part, which is how you need to deliver it. Now you always need to look presentable. Always means always. Yes. So if you are well dressed, if you are well groomed, then what will happen? You are going to affect somebody else's thoughts. But before that, you are also going to affect your own thoughts. You yourself feel positive, then only you can spread that positivity to others. Right? So you always need to be presentable. You always need to be well groomed, well dressed. And whatsoever you will portray, those things only will come back to you. And you always need to think and act like a winner. Now, please make sure that we need not to think that like in the competition, we all know that there can be only a few people who can be the winner. Now, why do we say that you always need to be presentable and take complete care of each and everything? Because first impression is the last impression. Whenever, suppose if there is any movie, do you see the entire movie and then say that this movie will be good, is good or bad? Or just from the poster you start making your predictions? Or from the promo you start making your predictions? Oh, this is the movie that is going to be good on the box office, or this is the movie that is going to be good. Reality can be something else. But the promo and the poster, that puts a lot of impression. In the same way here also, you are the one who is going to put impression. So you need to always look presentable, always portray yourself that you are a winner. And the impression you will put, the others will also get the same impression. And once this is done, the half of the battle is already won. So you need to communicate gracefully, and I want you to know that communication happens in two ways. One is verbal communication, another is non-verbal communication. And being a communication trainer, this thing I have observed, and this thing has been, told by so many other people also, that more than verbal communication, non-verbal communication plays the major role. Suppose if I'm saying you all this, but I'm like very dull, or see, you need to smile, you need to say like this, you need to be presentable. So even if I'm saying good things, they are not going to put good impact on you. Yes, so you need to, your non-verbal gestures also play a major role. But if I am also very happy, oh, you know what happened yesterday, I met with an accident and I got injured, I don't think so, this and that, then also you will feel like the expressions are not going, they are not matching with the situation or anything that I am saying. you cannot see your gestures yourself. If I am saying anything, I cannot see myself only in two scenarios. Either I'm standing in front of a mirror or in front of a video camera. So this is a thing that you need to do. You need to observe yourself. You need to stand in front of mirror, make your videos so that you can understand your gestures really well. Okay, and the last very, very, very important thing, that you need to give your introduction in an attractive way. Everything is fine, you are being yourself, content is good, you are being very graceful, your gestures are fine, very good, everything is going very well. But then if you are not putting that attraction into that, then most of the things will be done only halfway. So you need to look very attractive.
Well, I think every human being must have two faces. It's very essential. One which you have for people in public and one which you have for yourself. Because these two different things, when mixed together, makes you a person who has just a personality which is fit for everybody else but not for one's own self. And I think it's very essential that you have a private side to yourself. I have it too.
All right, that's Sushmita.
Yes,
Sen,
so
Miss
as you
India.
you heard her, she particularly talked about being two faces. If somebody else would be there and they will talk about two faces, but if they are not able to justify their answer, then there is no point. Whatsoever you say should have a particular justification. Yes, now all of you can unmute your mics. We have covered how you need to stand, how you need to be graceful with your gestures, with your walk, with each and everything, how you say things, and about the content also.
Thank you so much, Vidushree.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
It was very useful.
Very informative. Very informative.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And everybody liked it. I'm so happy. So please, all of you girls, stay positive. Stay positive. Know yourself. Please, the achievement things you must do if you want to know yourself. If somebody has done, that's really very awesome. If not, then please do it. And please know yourself. Imagine that you are special, you are important, and things will come to you. This session was presented to you by Tortoise Learning Solutions and VagishaJain.com. Please like, share, and subscribe to support us and get more knowledgeable videos. If you have any query, please mention it in the comment section, and you can know more about me on my website VagishaJain.com. Thank you for watching.